Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tire inspection is not just a routine task but a critical aspect of vehicle safety and maintenance. Among the various types of tire wear issues that can affect performance and safety, feathering is one that often goes unnoticed until it becomes a significant problem. Understanding what tire feathering is, its causes, symptoms, and how to address it through regular inspections and maintenance routines is essential for any vehicle owner or driver. Understanding tire feathering. Tire feathering refers to a specific type of wear pattern that develops on tires, characterized by a sawtooth or scalloped pattern on the tread blocks. This pattern occurs when the tread blocks wear down unevenly, causing one edge of each block to become more worn than the other. Instead of wearing evenly across the tire surface, feathering creates a rough and uneven surface that can impact vehicle handling, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. Causes of tire feathering. Several factors contribute to the development of tire feathering. Misalignment. When a vehicle's wheels are not properly aligned, it causes uneven distribution of weight and pressure on the tires. This misalignment can lead to irregular wear patterns, including feathering. Worn suspension components. The suspension system of a vehicle plays a crucial role in maintaining proper tire contact with the road surface. Components such as ball joints, tie rods, and bushings help absorb shocks and vibrations and ensure smooth handling. However, when these components wear out or become damaged, they can alter the alignment angles of the wheels, leading to feathering and other types of abnormal tire wear. Improper tire inflation. Maintaining the correct tire pressure is essential not only for fuel efficiency but also for tire performance and longevity. Overinflated or underinflated tires can cause uneven wear patterns, including feathering. Overinflation causes the center of the tread to wear out more quickly, while underinflation causes the shoulders to wear faster, both contributing to feathering along the edges of the tread blocks. Symptoms and identification. Identifying tire feathering early is crucial for preventing further damage and ensuring safety on the road. Common symptoms of feathering include visual inspection. Examining the tread surface of the tires under good lighting conditions can reveal a sawtooth pattern along the edges of the tread blocks. Driving symptoms. Feathering can manifest in various driving symptoms, such as increased road noise, vibrations felt through the steering wheel or seat, and uneven tire wear visible on multiple tires. Steps for inspecting tire feathering. Regular inspections are key to detecting feathering before it escalates into a more serious problem. Here are steps to effectively inspect for tire feathering. Visual techniques. Begin by visually inspecting each tire, looking for signs of uneven wear patterns. Ensure the inspection area is well lit to accurately detect any feathering along the tread blocks. Right angles. Examine the tires from multiple angles to identify any irregularities in the tread wear patterns. Tread feel. Running your hand over the tread surface can sometimes reveal feathering more clearly than a visual inspection alone. Feel for any rough or uneven areas along the edges of the tread blocks. Using diagnostic tools. For a more thorough assessment of tire condition and wear patterns, consider using diagnostic tools such as tread depth gauges. These tools measure the depth of the tread across various points on the tire's surface, helping to identify areas of uneven wear, including feathering. Alignment machines. Professional alignment machines can accurately measure and adjust the alignment angles of the wheels to prevent further feathering and ensure even tire wear. Professional versus DIY inspection. Deciding whether to perform tire inspections yourself or seek professional assistance depends on your expertise and access to tools. Professional inspections. Tire shops and service centers offer specialized equipment and trained technicians who can provide precise alignment checks and diagnose subtle issues that may contribute to feathering. D-inspections. While basic visual inspections and using handheld tools like tread depth gauges can be performed at home, it's essential to be thorough and vigilant in monitoring tire condition and wear patterns. Preventing and addressing tire feathering. Preventive maintenance and timely intervention are crucial for addressing tire feathering and extending tire life. Regular maintenance tips. Incorporate these practices into your vehicle maintenance routine to minimize the risk of tire feathering. Alignment checks. Schedule regular alignment checks as recommended by your vehicle manufacturer or service provider to ensure proper wheel alignment and prevent uneven tire wear. Tire rotations. Rotate your tires regularly according to the recommended schedule, typically every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, to promote even tread wear and prevent feathering. Suspension inspections. Periodically inspect suspension components for signs of wear or damage and replace worn parts promptly to maintain proper wheel alignment and tire contact with the road surface. Correcting misalignment. Addressing misalignment promptly is essential for preventing and correcting tire feathering. Professional alignment. If you detect signs of misalignment or feathering during an inspection, schedule a professional wheel alignment service. A trained technician can adjust the alignment angles of the wheels to ensure even tire wear and restore vehicle handling and safety. Adjustments. If you have the necessary tools and expertise, you may attempt to adjust minor alignment issues at home. However, for precise adjustments and to prevent further damage to tires and suspension components, professional alignment services are recommended. When to replace tires. Monitoring tire wear and knowing when to replace tires are essential for maintaining vehicle safety and performance. Monitor tread depth. Use a tread depth gauge to measure the remaining tread depth at various points across the tire's surface. Replace tires when the tread depth reaches the minimum recommended depth, typically 2/32 of an inch, to ensure adequate traction and safety on wet and slippery roads. Check for bald spots. Inspect tires regularly for bald spots, uneven wear patterns, or visible signs of damage such as cuts, cracks, or bulges. Bald spots indicate significant wear and may compromise tire performance and safety. Prioritizing tire inspection and maintenance contributes significantly to overall vehicle safety and performance. By understanding the causes and symptoms of tire feathering, conducting regular inspections, and taking preventive measures, drivers can ensure safer travels and extend the lifespan of their tires, ultimately saving on costs and enhancing driving comfort and safety. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.